Today we are celebrating the first edition of India's biggest OTT awards.
I'm just going to look forward to a fantastic evening.
So let's begin the night to give away the awards.
And the winner is...
నేను నిన్ను
నేను
ప్రేమిస్తున్నాను.
ये पति के आगे बोल गई.
Nexa Streaming Academy Awards, brought to you by Nexa.
Today we are celebrating the first edition of India's biggest OTT awards, Nexus Streaming Academy Awards, powered by Smax Influencer Network. Manish, since you're at it,
Yeah.
I just want to let you know that there's a lot of people from the Tamil OTT industry. Do you want to say hello to them?
Absolutely. ये मौका मैं कैसे छोड़ सकता हूँ? Ellarkam, Vanakkam and welcome Tamil OTT. Olagthala. Seriously, verra level la.
I am impressed.
Thank you,
I
thank
mean,
you. I love
this
you
is
all.
the impact of OTT, I guess.
you.
Even Manish can speak in Tamil. Now, since you're at it, Telugu OTT industry is also over here.
Why not? Absolutely. Hello andaru, meeru ella unnaru. Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Assamese, Marathi, Gujarati, Punjabi are here because OTT has broken barriers and Nextra Streaming Academy Awards powered by Smax Influence and Digital has got them all under one roof. तो एक बार आप सबके लिए जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए यार. You know, अब मैं थोड़ी होस्टिंग तो कर ही लूंगा क्योंकि मुझे आदत सी हो गई है शुभ्रा. मेरी तो घर में भी होस्टिंग निकल जाती है यार. मैं घर में भी अगर रोटी भी खा रहा होता ना तो रोटी ऐसे नहीं आती. मैं कहता हूँ रोटी के लिए जोरदार तालियां, तब जाके वो मेरे स्टेज पे आती, मतलब मेरी प्लेट पे आती. ओटीटी का इतना क्रेज हो कि मेरे बैंकर ने मुझे कॉल किया, कहता सर ओटीपी दीजिए. मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं आपको ओटीटी दूंगा.
Manish, तुम और तुम्हारी jokes ना, you just don't stop with these
I
jokes.
never stop यार. You know, मेरे जोक्स कोई 2000 का नोट थोड़ी है जो बंद हो जाएंगे. ये चलते रहते हैं.
But Manish, तुमसे कोई नहीं जीत सकता और मैं तो जीतना भी नहीं चाहती because we all know if Manish is there, we're going to have a very freaking entertaining night. So let's start this entertaining night with the super entertaining Manish Paul.
Thank you so much, and also the super amazing Shubhra Ayappa. Well, you are looking stunning, yaar. Absolutely.
The first award to honor the best supporting actor, series male regional.
Award goes to Pratibhan Radhekrishnan.
வணக்கம் அனைவருக்கும். Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You know how proud I am feeling?
I'd like
India's latest, biggest, costliest celebration was Mr. Mukesh Ambani's son's marriage. The artists like me, this is bigger than that, greater than that. So,
Yeah,
Of course
Thanks
it
to-
is.
how sweet.
thanks to Nexa Streaming Academy Awards.
To honor the best actor, web original film, female critics Hindi. With this award, I would like to invite on stage
Please welcome Mr. Raj Nayak.
And the best actor web original film female critics goes to none other than the versatile, the one and only Neena Gupta.
Thank you, Nexa Streaming Academy Awards. Thank you, Raj.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next award is to honor the best actor web original film male popular regional, and the winner is
Best actor web original film male, and the winner is Naveen Chandra.
Andariki Namaskaram. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for billing me as Ravi in this film. And I'm so happy here, dressed up, sitting in front of these talented people and sharing this award, taking this award. It means a lot to me. And I'm happy here. Thank you so much.
And the next honor is for the best supporting actor, web original film, female Hindi.
And the winner is Adrija Sinha for Sirf Ek Banda Kafi Hai.
For the longest time, I'd only imagined like receiving awards and giving speeches in front of the mirror. But now that I've finally gotten one, it truly feels like a dream come true. Thank you, Nexa Streaming Awards. It's really special.
Yeah, baat hai. Big congratulations to you.
Now let's honor the Best Supporting Actor Web Original Film, Female.
And the winner is Sharanya Pradeep.
Andarki namaskaram. Thank you so much for this award, Nexa Streaming Academy Awards. Thank you, AHA. Thank you, Abhimanyu, our director. Nannu ee film ki Shilpaga namminanduku. And thank you, Priyamani garu. And one more thing, Manish ji, मैंने आपका shows मेरे बचपन से देखती आ रही हूँ.
क्या बात है.
And I'm seeing you right now here.
मैं चाइल्ड एक्टर था, मैं बचपन से काम.
Yeah.
अच्छा,
I agree.
मैं आप हिंदी बोला, मैं आपकी लैंग्वेज में थोड़ा सीख रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
इसका मतलब क्या होता है? नेन्नु
प्रेमिस्तुन्नानु.
प्रेमिस्तुन्नानु.
Yes.
क्या मतलब होता है इसका?
मैंने आपसे प्यार किया.
हाँ, ये पति के आगे बोल गई. All right, next award is for the Best Supporting Actor Web Original Film, Male, Hindi. And the winner is...
Oh, I can't believe this. Gaurav Pandey, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
Thank you so much. It's a big one. Streaming Academy Awards का पहला Supporting Actor Award मुझे मिला है.
अरे क्या बात है. Super. Best Actor Series, Female, Popular, Regional.
And to give away this award, I would like to invite on stage the lovely Brinda Prasad.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you all so much for being here. The Best Actor Series Female goes to Shriya Reddy for Sural.
Good evening, everybody. I would like to thank Pushkar and Gayatri, my entire cast and crew, Parthiban sir, Kadir, Aishwarya, and the rest of them who are not here. Thank you so much. It's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you.
Now it's the time to honor the Best Series Critics Hindi. And the winner is...
Best Series Critics, Kala Pani, Hindi, Netflix.
Thank you, Nexa Streaming Academy Awards.
Now it's the time to honor the Best Non-Fiction Original Series Special.
And the winner is...
So the winner is Unstoppable Season 2, Telugu.
ఆహా తరపున మీ అందరికీ మా నమస్కారాలు ఎల్లరికూ వణక్కం and of course special thanks to Balakrishna garu, the host, and all the guests through the season who really made this show come alive. So thank you very much.
Now it's time to honor the Best Supporting Actor Series Male Hindi.
Present the award. May I please welcome on stage Mr. Sanjay Puran Singh Chauhan.
Award goes to Bhuvan Arora.
Thank you so very much, Nexa Streaming Academy Award. Thank you for recognizing my hard work. Big thanks to the makers of the show, Raj and DK. I'm forever indebted to them. And ironically, this is the first time Streaming Academy Awards has come to our city, Bollywood, and it's my first time when I'm doing a Tamil film. So I think it was pretty cosmic for me to be here, and thanks.
To honor the Best Actor Series Male Critics Hindi,
ladies and
gentlemen, to give away this award, I would like to invite on stage...
Please welcome Mr. Raj Nayak.
And the Best Actor Series Male Critics goes to Jim Sar.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, guys.
Very well deserved.
Thank you to Nexa Streaming Academy Awards. I want to thank, of course, Sony Live and the entire team that worked tirelessly to make Rocket Boy Season 2 come to life. We're very glad it resonated. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And the next award is to honor the Best Series Regional.
Best Series goes to Suhal.
So that's Shalini from Amazon Prime. So a big thanks to Amazon Prime Video for standing by this project.
It's time to honor the Best Supporting Actor Web Original Film Male Regional.
And the winner is...
Goes to Bobby Simha, Ammu, Telugu.
Thank you all. I thank to my director Charu. Thank you so much, Da. And Amazon Originals. Thank you so much. என்ன சொல்றது ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா இருக்கு. Thank you.
The next award is to honor the Best Actor Web Original Film Male Critics Hindi.
And the winner is...
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The Best Actor Web Original Film Male goes to Ishan Khattar for Pippa.
Thank you for such a wonderful and dignified award function. Thank you for thinking me worthy of this award. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया नेक्सा स्ट्रीमिंग अकेडमी अवार्ड्स का. बहुत ही स्पेशल फिल्म थी मेरे लिए for such a early stage in my career. So thank you. This is very encouraging, and particularly because it's Best Actor critics and they're infamously hard to please. So thank you very much. Thank you.
The next honor is for the Best Actor Series Female Critics Hindi.
The award for the Best Actor Series Female Critics goes to Shobhita.
Good evening, everyone. This is such a wonderful August gathering. A character that can be liked or disliked, but somehow understood. And the credit goes to excellent writing by the team at Made in Heaven. This incredible character that continues to inspire me as an audience. Thank you so much.
Best Actor Series Female Critics Regional. And the winner is...
The Best Actor Series Female Critics is Shubhashri Ganguly for Idubala Bhater Hotel.
Good evening, everyone. I want to thank Nexa and definitely Debalay, Kollulda and the entire team of Hoichoi. My family, everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much.
अगला है Best Original Story Series Regional. And the winner is...
The winner is Pushkar and Gayatri Sujal, The Vortex Tamil.
Thank you, Nexa Streaming Academy Awards. It's about high time we started recognizing long-form storytelling as... So thank you for taking the first step towards making an awards for digital storytelling. Thank you.
And I'm very glad that SIMA is doing this. You know, SIMA usually organizes it big, and every year this awards is going to get bigger and bigger. And we are happy to get this year. Thank you.
Big congratulations to you. Thanks. Pushkar ji, आपने story को बहुत push किया है. Thank you so much for that.
And it's Sural. Try to pronounce that.
कौन सा?
Sural.
Suran.
Ah, there you got it. You'll have to bend your tongue when you
Suran.
Sural.
Sural.
Ah, there we go.
Thank you, sir. नहीं, seriously, I love learning यार. मेरी गलती थी मैं Sural. Yeah, Sural. I got it, man, yo. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, now is the time to honor the OTT platform of the year, Hindi.
And to give away this award, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Kabir Khan.
So I'm here to announce the platform of the year, Hindi, and that goes to the gentleman in front of us, Amazon Prime.
Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Nexa Streaming Academy Awards. Thank you, jury, for giving us this honor. This is a really big one. Really appreciate it. I think there are a couple of things I want to say tonight. You know, we are really thrilled to be the home of some of the best stories told by some of the finest creators of this country. So thank you very much, and yeah, have a great evening.
Now is the time to honor the Best Actor Web Original Film Female Critics Regional.
And to give away this award, I would like to invite on stage Darshan Kumar and Aishwarya Sushmita.
And the winner is...
Best Actor Web Original Film Female Critiques. And the winner is Priyamani Raj.
Priyamani Raj!
Telugu.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Nexa Streaming Academy Awards for this. Since I got it for Telugu, I'd like to say a few words in Telugu. Andariki namaskaram, chala santoshanga undi. Bhama Kalapam Uchi, it was Abhi's brainchild, Abhi's baby. Thank you so much, Abhi, for casting me as your Anupama. Ee yokka award uchi nenu, I'd like to dedicate this to the whole team of Bhama Kalapam. This is for you guys. Thank you so much.
Now is the time to honor the Best Actor Web Original Film Female Popular Regional.
Best Actor Web Original Female goes to Aishwarya Lakshmi for Ammu, Telugu.
so much. Ammo was a film that released in 2022 and I'm still receiving awards for it. Oh, I just feel that it is the content that is giving me all of this love. And if it was not for what was written, I wouldn't be here today. If it was not for my Naveen, I wouldn't be here today. If it was not for Charukesh, I wouldn't be here today. And I dedicate this to every woman who has ever felt like they were helpless and every woman who ever felt that they couldn't do anything about the situation they are in, so have to accept it. So yeah, thank you so much. I'm very, very happy that I could be here.
Thank you.
Moving on to the next one now.
It's the time to honor the sensation of the year.
My heart is really here. Sensation of the year, Ramika Gabbi.
Sensation of the year. The past 3 years have been very transformative. I never thought, I never imagined I'd get to work with Vishal sir, Vikram sir, Kumar Raja, Tyagarajan. Thank you. वो sensation नहीं होती अगर इन लोगों के साथ काम नहीं किया होता. And I am very grateful. I think I'm very lucky. अवार्ड लेके भी खुशी हो रही है. थैंक यू सो मच. अब मैं ऐसे ही बोल रही हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच गाइज. दिस मीन्स अ लॉट. थैंक यू सो मच साइमा. इट्स बीन ग्रेट. थैंक यू.
It's time to honor the OTT platform of the year, Regional.
And the OTT platform of the year, Regional, is AHA, AHA.
Oh, this is really awesome. To begin with, I'd like to thank the Nexa Streaming Academy Awards for having recognized the powerhouse that is AHA. Thank you again, everyone. Thank you.
The next honor is for the Best Actor Series Female Popular Hindi. And to give away this award, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Partho Banerjee, Senior Executive Officer, Marketing and Sales, Nexa.
So before we announce the winner, can we have a few words, please?
Yeah, thanks, Manish. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed a pleasure for me to be part of this first inaugural Nexa Streaming Academy Awards. We believe in promoting the creation, innovation, and Manish, I think the talent which I am seeing here is amazing actually. So my best wishes to Saima, and let the association of this Nexa Awards may take it to the next level. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Let's see who the winner is.
The award goes to Aditi Rao Hydari.
Good evening, everyone. I'd like to thank the Nexa Streaming Awards for having me here first. It's a big, big honor to be amongst such wonderful talent, such incredible talent from across the country, celebrating one another, and just being the Indian film industry and being stronger together. It really feels wonderful to be here for this. Also, I have to say it's a very, very beautiful and dignified evening. I'm really honored to be here and thank you for this. Thank you, Z5. Thank you, actually, in a world full of alpha men. As Anarkali, I stand here and I receive this, Anarkali Khush Hui. Thank you so much to the entire team for making me Anarkali. Big shoes to fill, and I'm very, very grateful. Thank you so much.
Now it's time to honor the Best Actor Web Original Film Female Popular Hindi.
The award goes to Rakul Preet Singh.
Good evening, everyone. Well, Chhatriwali is one of my most special films because it spoke about something so important, about sex education, about the help that women need. And I can't thank the team enough for believing in a subject like this and thinking that I would be able to pull off. So here, Manish, thank you so much to the entire Z5 group for supporting Chhatriwali. And then, of course, RSVP, Ronnie sir, Tejas, my director, and the entire cast and crew. I don't think I could have done this without them. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Big, big congratulations. क्या बात है, बरसात का मौसम, छतरीवाली को award मिलना ही था.
Now is the time to honor the Best Actor Series Male Popular Hindi.
And the winner is Mr. Rana.
Wow, thank you. I almost thought I missed my flight without making this. But it's Simon, how can I not be here? So first, thank you guys, thank you very much for this. I think the first person I'd have to thank is Karan Anshuman, who's believed in this strange pandemic idea, called it Rana Naidu, and then made me who I am in the OTT world. We just completed filming season 2 and there's a lot more coming up. Rana was edgy, Rana was mad. People hated him, but he kept loving everyone else. And here's the love. Thank you very much.
The next award honors the Best Actor Web Original Film Male Popular.
And the winner goes to one of my favorite star, Manoj Bajpayee Saab.
Sir, thank you. But I must correct that I'm not a star. I'm just an actor, ordinary actor, who's been just trying very hard to do justice to everything that I get. Banda has been giving and giving so much. So thank you very much. And yes, the casting director वहाँ बैठा हुआ सोच रहा है मेरा नाम क्यों नहीं लिया इन्होंने. शिवम विनोद जी वहाँ बैठे हुए हैं. मैंने पूरी भानुशाली कंपनी का नाम लिया, विनोद भानुशाली नहीं बोला. उनको उसमें भी जो है पता लग रहा होगा कि मेरा नाम क्यों नहीं लिया इन्होंने.
ये जरूरी है. क्या बात.
But thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you.
जोरदार तालियां for Manoj Bajpayee sir. Thank you so much, sir.
On that note, we would like to congratulate all the winners. Your work has not only entertained us but also inspired countless aspiring creators across the country.
This is Manish Paul and Shubhra Ayappa signing off on the first edition of Nextra Streaming Academy Awards powered by Smax Influence and Network. Ladies and gentlemen, अगले साल फिर मिलेंगे नए OTT content के साथ, नए story tellers के साथ. तब तक keep binging. Sayonara नहीं, sayonara. See you. Bye bye.
See you.